If your travel bucket list includes epic holes in the ground, you're a true adventurer. Check out the Mirny Mine. Deep in the frozen lands of Siberia lies one of the world's largest diamond mines, the Mirny Mine. This colossal pit is so massive it's visible from space. It plunges over 1,700 feet deep and stretches nearly a mile wide. But here's the wild part. Helicopters are banned from flying over it because the air currents created by the pit can literally suck them in. Beneath the icy ground, these mines have produced some of the rarest and biggest diamonds ever found. Just imagine what else could be hidden deep beneath Siberia's frozen surface. So next time you're planning a trip, think about the Mirny Mine. A marvel of human engineering and nature's wonder combined. Who knew a hole in the ground could be so fascinating? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing travel stories.